Well, William. What's happening?
I got it finally, eh?
You got it, buddy. See, a little practice. How you doing today, William?
Not so bad. I'd like to
You know what I want to
say
hear?
hello to Farmer Chris Johnson. Hey.
There you go. Hey. William, where do you live, William?
Ottawa, Canada.
So this goes out to all the Ottawa Canadians over there for William Delorme. My name is Chris Johnson, and I want to help Mr. William out because he is a founder. I need you to get back with William and ask him all about Onpassive. Hey, William, what's Onpassive anyway?
Onpassive is a digital how would you say it? Digital based business.
How many products do we have, William?
Well, presently we only have a few, but there will be 50 coming out shortly.
And what kind of products do we have? Artificial intelligence, digital automation, what? We have all that or what?
We have artificial intelligent digital products. And I can tell you right now, on your Wednesday Live, I've been looking into the O-Tracker?
O-Tracker.
Yeah, you can ask me a few questions about that because when I was in school in the IT professional course, you know, they give you a lot of advice on security for your internet. You know, antivirus, malware. Malware is where they come in and take your information, such as banking information. So security is a big money-making business. So hackers are not going to like Onpassive.
They're not going to let go Tracker, that's for sure, are they?
No, they're not. If you understand that they can, actually, I like to see that because we know that people don't like to go on the internet because they get scammed for money and they're very scared of the internet. So
William,
now that Onpassive is here, we are the correction to the corruption.
Hey, William, tell them how easy it is to join Onpassive and what it costs to get into Onpassive right now.
It's $97 US. I imagine most people pay more for other businesses, and this hasn't launched yet. And if they go to www.onpassive.com and see the products that are coming out, which can help their business under one umbrella.
One umbrella, all 50 products, one.
You don't have to go to all other places and spend all kinds of money for nothing.
Yeah, we have it all. We have it all. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to, they campaign for you. We don't have to sell nothing. They do it all for you, don't they, William?
Yes. I'm very interested in the O-Tracker because I like to see them send me back pictures of people with handcuffs going to jail. Because it's, I'll send you a picture.
Hey, Bill, what about our O-Connect? What's O-Connect for?
O-Connect is like Zoom, but it's much more better, more powerful, because it has a lower bandwidth, I believe, which will stop all the nonsense that's going on with Zoom right now.
Unlimited.
Yes, and there's unlimited people on the Zoom and a lower cost point, at a lower cost point.
What about
Plus,
Hey, Bill, what about that auto translation? What's that all about? Tell me.
That's 57 languages. What you do is you get on and say you're talking to Germany, the person in Germany, and you click German, and the person who speaks in German will speak English back to you.
Ooh, that's pretty good. 57 languages, eh?
Well, I think that that point will sell O-Connect automatically.
Yeah. So what do we want to say to the Canadians out there? How do they find out this information? What do you got to do?
Well,
just send them to send you.
Well, just PM me with Messenger, William Delorme, or go to Facebook, William Delorme, or go to Chris Johnson. He'll help me out.
This is all about William today. We're trying to get the Canadians.
Okay.
Hey, William, can anybody do this business? Anybody?
Anybody, because when I have my presentation on people scamming you and how to protect yourself, I'm sure that you'll want to join this business.
Unbelievable, huh? So basically, you don't have to be a technical guru. You don't have to know nothing about computers. Nothing.
No. Everything is done for you.
So we're paying a company to build us a business and a legacy.
Yes, we're
right?
paying a company to, we purchase a package, which is all their products and traffic. And traffic is number one because they have a better traffic profile or business. They're going to do a much better job than anybody I've seen on the internet.
Yeah, so we got that artificial intelligence, which is machine thinking. So if William's selling apples, let's say, off his computer, Onpassive does all that. It directs trades. Anyone that wants apples is going to take it right to William's home computer or his house. Basically, William's going to be able to sleep, go on vacation, and do whatever he can to earn residual income. People are going to be coming right to Bill. How does that work, Bill? When we launch to the world, what happens? What happens is me and Chris are going to have a private jet plane, and we're going to take my church and everything to Papua New Guinea. That's right. How's that sound? That sounds great. All right, Mr. William, I'm going to jump on another live. I want everyone to get back with my buddy William here. PM him. Ask him all about Onpassive. He will send you an invite link. All you basically do is click on that link, put your name and email, hit send, and GoFounders will send you another link, all right, where you can pay the $97 US and get signed up for this. But get in this. This will truly change your life. There's a lot more to it, but you don't really have to know that. All you got to do is what, Bill? What do we got to do just to do this? You go to www.onpassive.com and do your due diligence and see all the products that are amazing. So all they got to do is get in, right, Bill? That's it. See that? That's awesome. What it is. Ladies and gentlemen of Canada, please get back with my brother William. He is doing you a justice. He is sharing to you something that's going to completely change your life. You don't have to be technical. It's over 50 products under one roof. Never been done before. The CEO has made it this way that anyone can do it, no matter your age, your situation. And it's a wonderful thing. So please, PM William, get in this company. He'll send you that invite link, and we'll get you going right away. It's an amazing opportunity, folks. We'll see you on webinar today. So you got it, buddy. Have a good day, Farmer Chris Johnson. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. It's coming. Get back with William. Get back with William and get in this. All right, William. I'll see you later, buddy. Bye. Bye.